Hi guys, today I'm going to be talking you through how to do a waterfall braid. Start by taking a small section of hair and splitting it into three. Cross the top section over the middle and then the bottom section over the new middle section. Then cross the new top over the middle but add a piece of hair to it. This is going to be your new middle section. Now, like a normal braid, take your bottom section, cross it over the middle, but now drop your old middle section. Continue this all the way through by adding a new section to the top and this becoming your new middle section. Then when you cross over your bottom section, you can drop your old section. Dropped out pieces should run all the way through the braid. That's how you can tell that you've dropped out the right pieces. Secure this side with a clip ready for later. Mirror the same on the other side and secure them together with a small elastic. Have a look at the back and see if anything needs tweaking. Simply pulling the braid will arrange it how you like. And you're done! Thanks for watching. I really enjoyed making this video and hope to make plenty more in the future. Comment below what you'd like to see next and I'll try my best.